Hello, Fokoos family. Most of you are probably familiar with Fokoos mascot, the Fokobot. The Fokobot was so stiff, so he decided to take some yoga practice, and then he became Flexi. So today, allow me to introduce you to Flexi Fokobot. The Flexi Fokobot was designed by our very well-known Flexi Factory as a courtesy gift, you can say, to the Fokoos community. And this is just a teaser video for the Fokobot, and the STL for Flexi Fokobot will be available for free soon. I'm hoping towards the end of the month or early December. And I'm quite honored to be the one and only tester of this design. And I'm really happy to say that, one, it's really cool the way Flexi Factory or our Dan designed it, gave it a little personality, and it prints really easy and it prints really well. And I've tested it at 3 different scales. This one over here, the gray one, is at 100% scale. The gold over here is 75% scale, and the red over here is at 50% scale, and all 3 of them came off the bed super flexy, no issues whatsoever. There's been no post-processing. This is exactly how they came off the Odin 5 F3 bed. And I've just set out some other designs that I've printed from Flexi Factory, some of which you might actually be familiar with, especially the very popular the crocodile and the recently popular llama corn back there. So the 100% scale and 75% were done at 0.2 layer height, and the 50% was done at 0.1 layer height, and they all came out beautiful. I'm just going to show you quick how it moves and wiggles and everything. It's really cool. The hands and the claws are flexy as well, and they move inside of these sockets. And actually my daughter likes this robot a lot as well, so it's a really cool model. So be on the lookout for this free STL, again, courtesy Flexi Factory. And this was a joint endeavor of Dora Ding and Flexi Factory. And I'm really glad how it all turned out. I really like this design. And once again, this is going to be released for free for the Fokoos community, either sometime this month or early December. Be on the lookout. Happy Thanksgiving and happy 3D printing. Ciao.